Today we'll understand about Nadi Shuddhi, because while doing Chakra Sadhana or any other sadhana, generally we do Nadi Shuddhi, and many those who do regular, Prata Sandhya and Sayan Sandhya, or if you do the Gayatri, generally they suggest you to do Nadi Shuddhi. Right? So what is this Nadi Shuddhi? And in the Gayatri and in Sandhya, when you do, that Nadi Shuddhi, you just for name sake, नाम के वास्ते कर लेते हैं, पर उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है unless and until you do not do it properly and in a right way. Because Nadi Shuddhi is one of the most powerful pranayama. The scripture says that only Nadi Shuddhi can take you to the ultimate reality of human life. सिर्फ नाड़ी शुद्धि करने से आप मनुष्य जीवन का जो अंतिम लक्ष्य होता है, जिसे हम मोक्ष प्राप्ति कहते हैं, निर्वाण कहते हैं, एनलाइटनमेंट कहते हैं, देयर आर सो मेनी नेम्स, you can reach to that state just by doing Nadi Shuddhi, even if you don't do anything else. Because it's such a powerful, and why it is powerful, what is the importance of this? As I have already mentioned that we have 72,000 nadis in our pranamaya kosha. And some scriptures also say that there are 3.5 lakh nadis, whatever it is. There are certain amount of nadis in our body. And in those nadis flows the prana. So just like, in the physical body, the blood flows in the veins, the same way in the pranamaya kosha, prana flows in these nadis. Okay? And there are 72,000 nadis, out of which 3 are the major nadis, mukhya nadis we call them. Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna. I had already showed you the picture also. So, Ida is your left side. This is also known as Chandra Nadi. Left nostril, at the physical level, symbolically, left nostril represent the Ida Nadi. And right represent the Pingala Nadi. This is also known as Surya Nadi. Chandra Nadi, Surya Nadi, Ida, Pingala. Okay? And these two nadis, as I told you, they unite in the Sushumna Nadi, which is at the center. The Sushumna Nadi is the most important nadi. Again, within the Sushumna Nadi, we have 3 more nadis. We talk in detail about these nadis in the alchemy class when we do, right? So now, if you just understand that there is a Sushumna Nadi at the center of your spine, and these 2 nadis, Ida and Pingala, moves from one side and this another side, and they unite in the Sushumna Nadi, and wherever they unite, they form a chakra, and like that we have 7 chakras in the Sushumna Nadi at the Pranamaya kosha, and these are the 2 nadis. Now Ida, Pingala, and at the center we have Sushumna Nadi. Ida and Pingala is what? This is the duality we call द्वैत. ये पूरी दुनिया जो है, ये पूरा संसार जो है, द्वैत, 2 एनर्जी से बना हुआ है. There are 2 streams of energy in this whole universe. Whatever you take, it all has 2 sides of it. You take anything, it has 2 sides. Even the single minute point also has the 2 sides. If you take any coin and cut it into any smallest, finest slice also, that will have 2 sides. If you take a magnet, you have 2 poles, north and south pole, and if you break down that magnet into 2 pieces, those 2 separate pieces will again have north and south pole. If you break down it into 4 pieces, all the 4 pieces will have individual south and north pole. And if you break down into thousands and thousands of pieces, the last smallest piece of magnet will also have these 2 poles, south and north. What does it mean? It just means that everything in this universe is dual in nature. यहाँ पर द्वैत है, 2 है, इसीलिए सब कुछ है. अगर 2 नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है. There is either द्वैत or advaita. There is no one. For our understanding, we say that there is one, there is no 2, but either there is no 2 or there is 2. There is nothing called one, because to say there is something called one, we have to take the reference of two. If two is not there, one is also not there. This is the beauty of this spirituality actually. So what are these two energies? When in the beginning, as I told you, there was only one single energy, एक single energy थी, and that breaks down into two energies. One becomes Shiva, other becomes Shakti. शिव शक्ति का कॉन्सेप्ट हमारे इंडियन माइथोलॉजी में और इंडियन रिलीजन में हम फॉलो करते हैं, हम मानते हैं देयर आर टू एनर्जीज, शिवा एंड शक्ति, एंड दीज शिवा एंड शक्ति आर टू inseparable energies. They got separated, and because they got separated, the whole universe got created. तो ये दो जो शक्तियां हैं, एक तरफ शिव और दूसरी तरफ शक्ति, ये दोनों शक्ति जो है ना, ये एक ही एनर्जी है. दिस सिंगल एनर्जी बिकेम टू एनर्जी, एंड बिकॉज दिस इज सिंगल एनर्जी बिकेम टू एनर्जी, दीज टू एनर्जीज ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर, एंड दैट इज व्हाई, if you know and if you understand this, there is always a attraction between opposite sex. Man is always attracted towards woman, woman is always attracted towards man. And this is very natural, because Shiva and Shakti are two, not two, they are the same energy, got divided into two, and because they got divided into two, they again want to become one, and because they want to become one, they always attract each other. And that is why, a father loves his daughter more than the son. A mother loves his, her son more than the daughter. You may get surprised by knowing all these things, but yes, there is always that opposite pole attraction. It is not about lust. It is not about, married couples or anything. It is just that there is always opposite sex attraction. And that is why when a man speaks to a man, he'll speak in a different tone. But the same man, when talks to a woman, or woman talks to a man, the tone will be totally different. है ना, आपने देखा होगा कि जब एक पुरुष से पुरुष बात करता है या महिला से महिला बात करती है, तो वो टोन अलग ही होती है. लेकिन एक पुरुष जब महिला से बात करता है या महिला जब पुरुष से बात करती है, तो वो टोन ही चेंज हो जाती है नेचुरली. इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट Shiva and Shakti, which got divided, the same energy got divided into two, and that always attracts each other. The same way, in our body also, these Ida and Pingala Nadi represents the Shiva and Shakti. And this side Nadi and this side Nadi, as I told you, 72,000 Nadi, 36,000 nadis are in the left side, 36,000 nadis are in the right side. And all the 36,000 nadis, this side and this side, are controlled by Ida and Pingala. Right? So when Ida is balanced, the whole left side of your body is balanced. When Pingala is balanced, the whole right side of your body is balanced. And when you balance this Ida and Pingala, actually this 36,000 and this 36,000 nadis gets completely balanced. And when these two nadis are balanced, your consciousness flows in the Sushumna Nadi, in the central Nadi. It is just like when these two nadis are balanced, these two nadis become one and merge in the Sushumna Nadi, and only Sushumna Nadi remains. No other nadi remains. That becomes the whole one. That means we generally, for the understanding sake, we say that the energy or Kundalini energy or the consciousness rises up in the Sushumna Nadi. ये दो नाड़ी जब बैलेंस हो जाती है, तो हमारा जो कॉन्शियसनेस है उसको हम कुंडलिनी एनर्जी कहते हैं, कॉन्शियसनेस कहते हैं, लाइफ फोर्स एनर्जी कहते हैं, शक्ति कहते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी नेम्स, एंड दैट एनर्जी राइजेस अप इन द Sushumna Nadi through all the chakras and comes and meets the Shiva here, Parabrahma or Shiva, right? And that is what is the concept of this Nadi Shuddhi also. So when we do Nadi Shuddhi, Ida and Pingala gets balanced, and when these two streams of energy are balanced, Shiva and Shakti becomes one, and it becomes the whole one consciousness, that one single stream of energy. And when it becomes a single stream of energy, it can easily move in the path. Sushma Nadi is also known as Shakti Path, Shakti Patha. Shakti Patha, have you heard about the Shakti Path Kriya? Some gurus give the Shakti Path. Shakti Patha is, they touch your Kundalini energy a little bit, and that finds that path, that starts moving in the path of Sushumna Nadi, and that is why it is known as Shakti Path. When they give Shakti Path, they give some energy to that Shakti which is already there within you, and that energy rises in the Shakti Patha. Patha means the path. So, that becomes one, like just the Kabira says. What is that doha? Prem gali ati sakari, jame don samay. प्रेम गली अति सांकरी जामे दोन समाय, जब मैं था तो हरि नाई, जब अब हरि है तो मैं नाई. The Kabira says that prem gali, the love, the gali or that street of love is so narrow that there two cannot stay. There can't be two. There can be only one. Either I am there or Hari or the God is there. And he says that when I was there, I is your ego. Right? When I is there, there cannot be God. God is separate from you, and God is no separate from you. God and you are one and the same. That is what our scripture says, Aham Brahmasmi. So when I was there, God was not there, and now God is there and I am not there. This is what Kabira says. प्रेम गली अति सांकरी जामे दोन समाय, जब मैं था तो हरि नाय, अब हरि है तो मैं नाय. प्रेम गली अति सांकरी जामे दोन समाय. So this single becomes one, and the beauty is God has created, or this nature has created everything in a so simple manner that just by a simple proper practice you can attain this singularity, you can attain this moksha, you can attain this enlightenment, whatever you call. And Nadi Shuddhi is one among those simplest techniques given by our Rishi. Right? When we do Nadi Shuddhi, what we do is we just breathe in from one side, breathe out from other side, and breathe in from this side, breathe out from other side. Very simple. What we are doing is we are breathing in the Ida Nadi, breathing out from Pingala, and breathing in from Pingala, breathing out from Ida. And when we do this consciously, what we are doing is we are making that prana energy to flow from one side and out from other side, and then flow from this side and out from other side. And when we do like this churning, this is also known as the Samudra Mathana, Samudra Manthana, that is again a mythological story. That is not reality. These are all symbolical stories. The Samudra Mathana is also happening within us only. The churning of ocean is happening within only. These two Sarisarpas, or the snake's two sides, what we generally see in the Samudra Mathan. What is that two sides of the snake? The same Ida and Pingala. And when you churn that Ida and Pingala, Nadi Shuddhi is like churning the ocean within you. And when you do this churning of ocean within you, churning, जब बचपन में देखा आपने कभी, जो आज जो एज है, बचपन में आपने देखा होगा कि पुरानी औरतें वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, बिलोना करते थे. राजस्थान में हम उसको बिलोना बोलते हैं कि मटके में बड़ा सा मटका होता था, उसमें दही डाल देते थे, फिर बीच में लकड़ी और दोनों साइड में वो रस्सी, और इधर से इधर खींचना, चर्निंग. एंड व्हेन दे डू चर्निंग दे गेट द नवनीत, दैट मक्खन निकलता है. द सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद इन अस आल्सो. You call the churning of the milk, or churning of the ocean, Samudra Mathana, or churning of this Ida and Pingala. So when you're doing this Ida and Pingala, what you're doing is you're doing that churning. And when you do that churning, that energy naturally rises up in the Sushumna Nadi. That is the beauty of this Nadi Shuddhi. The only thing is this has to be done very, very, very properly. Because if you are not doing properly, everything is a skill. Though it is very simple, that simple skill also we have to do in a simple manner. Generally what we do is we we get excited, we get anxious, and we do it wrongly. And when you do it a little wrong also, you're not going to get the benefits of it. It is just like जब हम सुई में धागा पिरोते हैं ना, कभी पिरोया आपने? बचपन मैंने बहुत पिरोया। जब हमारी बड़ी मम्मी छुटपन में बुलाती थी, जो उसको नहीं दिखाई देता तो बोलती थी, बेटा सुई में धागा डाल के दे। सुई में धागा डालना, पुटिंग अ थ्रेड इनटू अ नीडल इज अ स्किल. A small hole, and in that small hole you have to clearly keep it in front of your eyes, and then sharpen that edge of the thread, and slowly, very carefully, you have to put that thread in the that hole, and then pull it out from the other side, and it is done. And if you are not doing that with that sharpness, whatever you do, this side, that side, this side, that side, the whole day you may do the circus, but that thread will not go in the hole of the needle. Everything is, it is so simple. It is so simple, but you have to have that concentration and with complete involvement, complete focus. When you do that, easily put that thread into the needle hole. But if you are not doing it in that, with that care, with that concentration, with that focus, with that skill, whatever you do, this, that, nothing will happen. And this is what the mistakes we all do always. We are doing so many things, so many sadhanas we do, पर कुछ भी फलीभूत नहीं होती. बहुत से लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, कंप्लेंट करते हैं, सर इतना दिन से साधना कर रहे हैं, इतना दिन से मेडिटेशन कर रहे हैं, इतने दिन से ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, हमारे जीवन में तो कुछ परिवर्तन आ ही नहीं रहा है. फ्रेंड्स, परिवर्तन इसलिए नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि हमें जो करना है वो हम ठीक से कर ही नहीं रहे. पूरी भक्ति के साथ, पूरे इन्वॉल्वमेंट के साथ जब हम कुछ भी करते हैं, तभी हमें उसका परफेक्ट रिजल्ट मिलता है, और बहुत जल्दी मिलता है, बहुत जल्दी मिलता है. द ओनली थिंग इज वी आर सो एंग्जियस, वी आर सो एक्साइटेड, वी आर सो डिस्टर्ब्ड, वी आर सो volatile within us that we are not doing it properly at all. And that is why scripture says that just by doing Nadi Shuddhi, you can reach to the ultimate reality of human life. The Nadi Shuddhi is Samudra Mathana, and when you do this Nadi Shuddhi, the consciousness naturally rises up in the Sushumna Nadi, and when it rises up in the Sushumna Nadi, it already knows how to flow, because the energy which is separated, Shakti is separated from Shiva, and Shakti always wants to rush to the Shiva. It is rushing, it is going. It is just that we have blocked the path. We just have to create that path. We just have to open the blockage. We just have to open the blockage. We need not do anything to the Shakti to rise it up. It will naturally rise up. It will naturally go up. एक प्रेमिका हमेशा प्रेमी के पास ही भागेगी. आप कुछ भी कर लो, उसको पकड़ के आप रख रहे हो. दुनिया पकड़ के रखती है. राधा को दुनिया ने पकड़ के रखा था. राधा का तो बस एक ही मकसद है, कृष्ण की तरफ आकर्षित होना, कृष्ण की तरफ जाना. कृष्ण से मिलने से राधा को कोई रोक नहीं सकता, शक्ति को कोई रोक नहीं सकता शिव से मिलने के लिए. The natural flow is always towards Shiva. It is just that we have blocked the path. We just have to open the path. If you open the path, naturally the energy will rise up, and Nadi Shuddhi helps us to open that path. How to do it? Very simple. Breathing in from one side, breathing out from other side, and breathing in from this side, breathing out from other side. As slow as possible. जितना धीरे धीरे हो सकता है सांस को अंदर लेना है, जितना धीरे धीरे हो सकता है सांस को बाहर छोड़ना है. And be completely aware of what you are doing. सिर्फ दो ही शर्तें हैं, only two conditions. One is try to breathe in as slow as possible and breathe out as slow as possible from other side, and vice versa. And second is be aware of what you're doing. That is, what you're breathing, just be aware of your breath. For this initial stage, again, initial stage is up to the end actually, but till once you're practiced into this Nadi Shuddhi, without using your fingers, you should be able to breathe in from one side with your sankalpa. The ultimate culmination of the Purnahuti of Nadi Shuddhi is without touching your nostrils. With your sankalpa, if I want to breathe in from left side, the prana has to flow from left side, and breathe out from right side, prana has to flow from right side. With sankalpa, without using the fingers. But initially we use the fingers, and when we use the finger, we use Nasikagra Mudra. This is known as Nasikagra Mudra. Folding your index and middle finger, keeping your small and ring finger straight, thumb straight. This is Nasikagra Mudra in the right hand. Even if you are lefty, you have to do this with right hand only. This is also known as Vishnu Mudra. Some scriptures call it Vishnu Mudra, some scriptures call it Nasikagra Mudra, whatever they call it. This is how we do the mudra. This mudra also helps in the rising the energy up and doing the Nadi Shuddhi. So this is the mudra we use. If you're not able to adopt this mudra initially, it's okay. You can use any finger to do this. But if you can adopt this mudra, this is wonderful. It's an easy mudra. You can adopt this. Just holding these two fingers, keeping these two fingers straight, thumb straight. Use the thumb to close the right nostril, and small and ring finger to close the left nostril, like this. And when you're closing the nostril, here we have a bone. यहाँ पर एक बोन है. बोन के नीचे a gentle precision, थोड़ा सा, इतना सा प्रेस करेंगे तो नाक क्लोज हो जाएगा. बहुत ज्यादा प्रेस करके आपको नाक को स्पॉइल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाक चेहरे पे बहुत सुंदर लगता है, तो उसको सुंदर ही लगने दीजिए, उसको खराब मत कीजिए. आराम से हल्का सा प्रेस एंड इट विल गेट क्लोज. एंड दिस साइड आल्सो हल्का सा प्रेस एंड इट विल गेट क्लोज. सो दिस हाउ वी डू. ये क्लोज कर दिया. इस तरफ से सांस को पहले पूरा बाहर छोड़ते हैं लेफ्ट साइड से. We generally start Nadi Shuddhi from left side and end also in the left side. Generally, okay, because this is the Shakti Patha. This is the Shakti. Left side is Shakti. Right side is Shiva. है ना? तो लेफ्ट साइड से शुरू करते हैं, लेफ्ट में ही एंड करते हैं. So every time when you start, just start from the left side. But generally, some yogis, some people also say that in the summer you have to start from the right side, and in the winter season you have to start from the left side, and vice versa also. Whatever it is, generally in general terms, we generally start from the left side and end it also from the left side. So you can just close the right nostril, just breathe out from your left side once, and then breathe in from your left side. So completely breathe in, close the left nostril, and breathe out from right side. So completely breathe out, breathe in from right side. Close the right and breathe out from left side. So this whole thing is one round. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. This whole thing is one round. Like that, generally we do 9 rounds, but this Nadi Shuddhi you can do without holding. No kumbhaka, anta kumbhaka, bahi kumbhaka. There are so many things in this. So we are not doing all that thing. Just breathing in from one side, breathing out from this side, and opposite side. No holding, no kumbhaka. And this Nadi Shuddhi, anybody can do. This has no side effect at all. You may have any kind of disease, any kind of problem, any kind of blah blah blah, whatever you have in your life, whatever age you are in, 99 years or just 9 years, you can do this. Anybody can do this. And when you do this, the two streams of energy in our body gets balanced. We call it Shiva Shakti, male female, mother father, yin yang, Ida Pingala, left and right hemisphere of our brain, and the two streams of energy, the circulatory system and nervous system. These two streams of energy gets balanced. And when these two streams of energy gets balanced, the consciousness naturally rises in the Sushumna Nadi. Okay? So I think about Nadi Shuddhi, this much is enough. I hope I am very clear about Nadi Shuddhi. So just do Nadi Shuddhi, and you can do it as much as you want. There is no side effect. And as I told you, you need not do much of anything. Just if you are doing with concentration and focus and in a proper way, just 9 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi is also enough to balance your energies. And that is why we include Nadi Shuddhi before we do Chakra Sadhana. So when you do Nadi Shuddhi, what we are doing is, we are balancing the two streams of energy. We are balancing the 36,000 and 36,000 Nadis, both the sides. And when you balance this, after balancing, when we do the Chakra Sadhana, naturally the energy is rising up it will naturally rise up. So it will be more helpful to do Chakra Sadhana. And that is why we do Nadi Shuddhi before we start Chakra Sadhana. So this is the importance of Nadi Shuddhi.